Scott Cunningham.
And Jacob Flora here with Aquatic Source. We're going to talk about winterizations. They're coming up soon and what you should do with your Pulsar feeder. Now, towards the end of the season, we've noticed that these things start to scale up if the pucks aren't taken out before we show up to winterize them. So we recommend at the end of the season, once all swimmers are done and exited the pool, approximately a week before we come out to winterize your pool, we would recommend that you run all the pucks through your feeder using your Pulsar control box. What you would do is you'd simply come in here and hit manual from ORP to manual on your box, and it'll feed and cycle this feeder all the way through. It's also not a bad idea if you have a chemical controller to go shut the valves to the flow cell so that the probes are protected from the high chlorination in the water. This will ensure that the feeder does not scale up, does not get a bunch of crud in the bottom, and you're not getting billed extra for us to come clean it for you at the end of the year.
Thank you.
Thank you.